Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, today is the day the US has promised to levy arbitrary tariffs, but still no word about how Australia or New Zealand will fare. It is not the end of August the 1st until later tomorrow in the US. In the meantime, Mexico has been the latest country to be granted a 90-day extension. Also, meanwhile, the US PCE price inflation index rose 0.3% in June from May, the largest increase in 4 months following an upwardly revised 0.2% gain in May. Year on year, the PCE was up 2.6%, the core PCE up 2.8%. With more broad tariffs ahead, plus firms now far less willing to absorb these burdens, the future track of US inflation looks like it has only got upside. And personal disposable incomes rose 1.7% in the US from June a year ago. Personal spending was up 2.1%. Canada may be being disrespected by its bully southern neighbour via tariff threats and economic pressure, but its economy is showing remarkable resilience. In May, their GDP eased just 0.1%, while in June it rose 0.1%. This is a far better result for them than they may have expected given the taunts and penalties they've had to absorb. Unlike Mexico, though, they aren't getting any delay in lieu of tariff changes. The official July PMIs for China were released yesterday, showing their factory sector contracting at a faster rate and their service sector expansion all but evaporating. These results are not disastrous, but they will worry Beijing all the same. The vibrancy they recently refound isn't lasting. And the June international air cargo market expanded little overall, up 0.8% from a year ago. But that was because of a sharp retreat in air cargo volumes in North America, down 8.3% for domestic cargoes, down 6.1% for international cargoes. Those are big moves. Elsewhere, international cargo volumes rose 1.6% and Asia-Pacific volumes were up 8.3%. And it's probably worth noting that after the large fall in the copper price we noted yesterday, there's been no bounce. It is still falling. And the US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.36%, down 1 basis point from yesterday. And the price of gold will start today at $3,294 an ounce, up $17 from yesterday. And American oil prices have slipped back $1.50 to be at $69 a barrel, while the international Brent price is now just on $71.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is at 58.9 US cents, and unchanged from yesterday. Against the Aussie, we're up 10 basis points at 91.7 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're unchanged at 51.6 euro cents. That all means our trade weight index starts today at just on 67.4 and up 20 basis points from yesterday, helped by a rise against the yen, which fell back after their central bank meeting. You can get more news about the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again on Monday.